Welcome back to BTC Media Education. Today we're answering a fundamental question. How does blockchain actually work? At its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger. Think of it like a public notebook, where every transaction is recorded permanently. But unlike a bank's ledger, this notebook isn't stored in one place. It's copied and shared across thousands of computers all around the world. This makes blockchain decentralized. No single bank, government, or company is in control. So, how are transactions added? Imagine Alice sends one Bitcoin to Bob. That transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Thousands of computers called nodes receive it and check. Does Alice really have that Bitcoin? Has she already spent it? Once verified, the transaction joins others in a block. But before a block is added to the chain, it must be sealed with something called proof of work. This is where miners come in. Miners compete to solve a very difficult math puzzle. The first one to solve it earns the right to add the block to the blockchain. As a reward, they receive newly minted Bitcoin, plus the transaction fees inside that block. This process makes the blockchain secure, because rewriting history would mean redoing all that math on every single block, which is practically impossible. Now, why is this important? Because every block links to the one before it, forming a chain. If someone tried to alter even a single transaction, the cryptographic link would break, and the network would immediately reject it. This gives Bitcoin its famous immutability. Once a transaction is confirmed, it can't be changed. Let's put it together. Transactions are grouped into blocks. Blocks are verified by miners through proof of work. Each block is linked to the previous one using cryptography. The result is a transparent, decentralized, and tamper-proof ledger. And here's the key point. Bitcoin is the first successful use of blockchain technology. The blockchain is the engine, and Bitcoin is the car that runs on it. Without blockchain, Bitcoin couldn't exist. And without Bitcoin, blockchain might never have proven itself in the real world. Of course, blockchain can be used for more than money. It's already being tested for supply chains, voting systems, medical records, and much more. But Bitcoin remains the most secure and most widely adopted blockchain in the world. So to sum up, blockchain is a decentralized ledger secured by cryptography and powered by miners. It's the breakthrough that allows Bitcoin to be digital money without needing a bank. If this helped you understand blockchain, hit like and subscribe to BTC Media Education. And for more articles and deep dives, visit the btcmedia.com. See you in the next video.